Hi friends, welcome to Tech Trends. In this video, we can see how to measure the water level using the water level sensor. Let's watch the video. The components required for this experiment are Arduino board, LCD display, I2C converter, water level sensor, connecting wires and connecting cable. First connect the LCD display to the breadboard and the I2C converter as parallel to the LCD display. So here I2C converter has 4 pins: ground, VCC, SDA and SCL. Ground we need to connect to the ground in Arduino board. VCC we need to connect to 5 volt. SDA we need to connect to A4 in Arduino board. And SCL we need to connect to A5 in Arduino board. Let's connect the connecting wires to the I2C converter first. Now we connected the connecting wires to the I2C converter. Connect the 5 volt from the Arduino board to any point in the breadboard. And now connect the ground pin from the I2C converter to the ground pin in Arduino board. And the next one is the VCC. VCC from I2C connect to the 5 volt point which we connected from the Arduino board. And the third pin SDA we need to connect to pin A4 in the Arduino board. And the final one SCL we need to connect to A5. Now we connected the I2C converter to the Arduino board. Next we need to connect the water level sensor. The water level sensor has 3 pins: ground, 5 volt and the S pin. The ground we need to connect to the ground in Arduino board, and the plus pin we need to connect to the 5 volt in the breadboard which we connected, and the pin S we need to connect to pin A3. Now we can connect the connecting wires to the water level sensor. So first I am connecting the ground from the water level sensor to the ground pin in Arduino board. The second one is the plus pin. We need to connect to the 5 volt. Here we already connected that 5 volt pin from Arduino in this point in breadboard. The third one, pin S, that we are connecting to pin A3 in the Arduino board. This is our circuit connection. Now connect the cable to the Arduino board and other end to the laptop and upload the program. Now connect the Arduino board to the laptop and upload the program. This is our program. Here in this variable I have declared the pin which we connected the water level sensor to the Arduino board. You can also use any other pin. So based on the pin you can change the pin number in the program. Now select tools, board and select the Arduino board. Then you need to select the port. Now click the right arrow button and upload the program to the Arduino board. Now the program is uploaded and we can check the output now. Now the water level is empty. If you dip the water level sensor into the first one which has a low water level, it will show the water level as low. Now we are inserting into the next water level. Now it is showing medium. And now we are inserting into the third one which is high. And we can see the water level as high in the LCD display. I have given the circuit diagram and the source code in the description. Please like this video and subscribe to Tech Trends channel. If you have any clarification, please post in the comment section. Thank you.